Where's the baby? Where is he? Where's Alexander? Where's Alexander Nicholas Warren? Where is he? Where's the baby? Show me the baby. Where's the baby? Alexander Nicholas Warren. Come here. Come on. Come on. Are you stuck in there? Are you stuck in there? You got yourself in there. You can't get out? How do you get out of there, baby? How do you get out? What happened? You're stuck. You're stuck in there. That doesn't taste good, does it? No. Are you stuck? Uh-oh. Come on. Come on. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? There he is. There's Alex. Yay! Yay! Hi.